Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the picture and duplicating the background so you never lose the original. Once done, zoom to 100% to see edge detail and choose a soft brush about 0.5 to 2 px for fine edges. You should also pick a nearby sampling point with a healing or clone tool. This preserves texture. Make sure to set blending and sample modes correctly, because a wrong mode makes patches stand out. Now begin removing the most obvious text strokes carefully. You now focus on matching texture and grain. That's where the clone and healing tools earn their keep. Start in small sections and sample frequently from nearby areas because lighting and texture change across the image. Use layer masks to apply corrections non-destructively and lower opacity to blend edges smoothly. If a repeating pattern appears, vary your sampling position and brush size. Once the patching reads natural, toggle the duplicate off and on to confirm the edit's invisibility. You finish by refining color and sharpness so the repaired area integrates seamlessly. Use slight blur or add matching noise to mimic original grain, and inspect at multiple zoom levels and color channels to catch subtle mismatches. If you see halos or repeating artifacts, undo the last steps and resample from a larger, varied area. That prevents cloning patterns. Finally, flatten a copy for export and save your layered file in case you need to revisit corrections later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.